What's the meaning of analogy? Analogy. 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 Analogy.
An analogy is a comparison between two things, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. It involves identifying similarities and differences between the two things being compared in order to draw out a deeper understanding of the topic at hand. Analogies can be used in a variety of contexts, from science and mathematics to literature and language. Regardless of the subject matter, the goal of an analogy is to help the listener or reader better comprehend and retain complex ideas by relating them to something more familiar.